Good day, sir, madam. I'm Marites Buzo. I'm 30 years old. I'm married. I have 4 children. And
Why do you want to go in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money to support my family.
How are you, Miss Marites?
I'm fine, thank you.
Did you work abroad before?
Yes,
Where?
Oman,
Okay, for how long?
2 years,
Okay, how many members of the family did you serve?
6,
How many children?
no children.
No children. But you know how to take care of newborn
Yes.
baby, right? Kindly tell us how?
Change diaper, take about the baby, and feed the baby,
So, what were your main duties in Oman?
cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing.
Okay, can you sing children's song?
Yes.
Please try.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them upright to clean and bright.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino and Arabic food.
Describe your personal character.
Honest, loyal, hardworking.
Okay, how can you say that you will be a good domestic helper?
I will follow the rules and responsibilities given by my employer and finish my contract.
Okay, thank you.